Hello, my name is Alexis, and I'm going to be talking to you and answering the question about what are cellular membranes made of and how does this impact the movement of substances in and out of the cell. So, cellular membranes are made of a pliable structure called phospholipid bilayers. And a phospholipid bilayer is made up of single phospholipid molecules. They have a head, which is hydrophilic, water-loving, or water-attracting, and the other part is a two side-by-side chain of fatty acids, which is known as the tail, and it's hydrophobic, which means water-fearing or water-repelling. The phosphate group in this molecule is negatively charged, which makes the head hydrophilic, water-loving, or water-attracting. Phospholipids are also amphitheatic, I can't pronounce that word, which means that the molecule contains a hydrophobic and hydrophilic region. This allows substances to move in and out of the cell through the cell membrane. There are three different types of movement: diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. The movement of substances in and out of the cell by diffusion is known as passive transport. Some substances will not be able to diffuse across a membrane and need to be chemically assisted. This is then called active transport. Small uncharged polar molecules such as water can diffuse through membranes, but larger uncharged polar molecules like glucose will not be allowed to. While charged molecules such as ions are unable to diffuse through the phospholipid bilayer regardless of their size of the ions. Phospholipids act as a semi-permeable barrier as they have hydrophobic tails, which prevents the polar molecules and ions to diffuse in and out of the membrane. Thank you so much for learning about cellular membranes with me.